Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Hex Nut Paracord, and today we're going to make a Hex Nut Paracord keyring. It's pretty easy, so here we go. Right, I've got two cords about 2.5 feet long each, roughly. I've got a split ring and 5 hex nuts. These are M8 5/16 hex nuts. Okay. So what I'm going to do first of all, sorry about the light, I've been struggling to get the light right all day. And this is the best I've got at the moment. Right, so I'm going to make a bite, like that. And I'm going to put the join a little way down. You'll see why in a minute. I'm going to get me split ring. I'm going to do a sling stone hitch. So you put the bite, the loop, whatever, through the keyring like that. I'm going to get the red cord and poke it down through the hole. Like that. And I'm going to get the grey cord. Whoops. Poke that down through the hole as well, like that. So it's like that. And then going to slowly and carefully push it up like that. And there you go, that is your sling stone hitch. And I've kind of hidden the join in the weave as well, which is pretty good. That's what I wanted to do. So there you go, that's your sling stone hitch. Now I'm going to get my 5 hex nuts and poke them on the cords. So there's 1, 2, 5 cords. There you go. 1 sling stone hitch, 5 M8 5/16 hex nuts, and roughly 2.5 feet of cord. Now what I'm going to do, because you can make these as long as you like or as short as you like, I'm using 5 hex nuts, and I'm using roughly the width of my hand, like that, to measure it off. I'm going to put my thumb at the top of my finger there, and that is going to be my measuring point, because now I'm going to do cobra weave, like that. So the red goes over the top of the 2 cords. The grey goes behind. You should know this by now if you watch my videos. Everything seems to be a cobra knot. Yeah. Grey goes behind and out the other side like that. I've got way too much cord, never mind. And then cinch it all up like that. And bring the first hex knot up like that, and then just carry on with the cobra weave. So red goes over the top of the 2 middle cords like that, the grey goes down behind the 2 cords and out the hole on the other end like that. Cinch it all up like that. It looks funny, but it's funny all the way down, so it kind of measures itself out. So do it again. Try and get the heads, the faces of the hex nut all facing the same way. like that, over the top, behind everything, out the other side. If you don't know how to do the cobra weave, and this is a bit, my hands are in the way, don't worry, I'll put a card up here to show you how to do the cobra weave. Like that. Just bring the next one up and just keep going till you get to the end, really. Right, so while I'm doing that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. They really help the channel with the algorithm and everything like that. And yeah, right, I got to the bottom, and as you see, I could have put another hex knot in there. It just depends on the length that you want, really. So when I run out of, I just carried on with the cobra weave. Now what I'm going to do is snip and singe the ends. Right, there you go, that is it, all snipped and singed. So as always, YouTube would like you to watch that video there. I would like you to watch that playlist there. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I will see you in the next one. Right, bye.